Unlock the full potential of your Canon Eos 250d for stunning live streams and recordings with OBS Studio. First, you'll need an HDMI capture card. This critical device converts your camera's HDMI output into a signal your computer can understand. Next, connect one end of a microHDMI to HDMI cable into the HDMI port on your Canon Eos 250d. Plug the other end of that HDMI cable into the HDMI input port on your capture card. Then, connect the capture card to your computer using its USB cable. Now, open OBS Studio on your computer. In the Sources section, click the plus icon to add a new source. Select Video Capture Device from the list of options. In the Properties window, use the Device drop-down menu to select your HDMI capture card. You should now see the live video feed from your Canon Eos 250d appearing in the OBS Preview window. Ensure your audio is also configured correctly in OBS, typically by adding an audio input capture source if your camera or capture card provides it. With these steps, your Canon Eos 250d seamlessly integrated into your streaming workflow, ready to deliver professional quality video for your audience.